Hello, welcome to ZR Visas. I'm Naveed Mukhtar and I am an OISC UK registered and regulated immigration advisor with more than 18 years of experience in UK immigration laws. I'm a family UK visa specialist, including UK Fiancé visa and spouse visa applications. In this video, we will talk about UK Fiancé visa application, the basic eligibility criteria, and the main list of the documents what you need to make an application. We will also discuss the cost and the processing time in this video. Let me introduce to ZR Visas first. We are an immigration advice firm since 2006 and we have clients in more than 60 countries. We provide advice in 5 different languages, including English, Urdu, Punjabi, Saraiki, and Hindi. I can speak all these five languages as well. And we have 100% success rate in many UK visa applications, including this Fiancé visa application, which we will be discussing, and spouse visa extension and switching applications, British nationality applications, indefinite leave to remain. You will be surprised to see our work on our website. We have hundreds of visa approvals on our success story page. We also have great reviews from the clients who we helped in last 18 years. And every review is a story. I'm sure if you search ZR Visas, you will be find some very interesting reviews and feedback from the clients around the world. Okay, so let's start about UK Fiancé visa eligibility requirements one by one. What is UK Fiancé visa? UK Fiancé visa is a short-term 6 months visa, comes under UK settlement immigration rules. As visa is valid for 6 months only, the purpose of the visa is to get married in the UK during the 6 months time and then make a switching application from fiancé visa to spouse visa. So now we understand the purpose. This is just a temporary visa to enter in the UK and to get married to a British partner or a partner who has indefinite leave to remain or settled status, and in some cases a pre-settled status. So this was the basic eligibility criteria. Now we see the requirements, that which requirements you have to meet to make a successful visa application for your fiancé. The first requirement which you have to meet is that you have a genuine and a subsisting relationship with your partner. When we say a genuine relationship, it means that you want to get married to your partner within 6 months' time. You intend to live together. For a foreseeable future, of course. And you have genuine intentions to spend your time in the UK with your partner. Genuine relationship can be proved through many means, such as your visits to each other. You may have some photographs to prove your genuine relationship when you visited your partner or your partner visited you in UK. You may have a long history of your communication with each other, such as maybe letters or emails, and you may be using WhatsApp or FaceTime or some other mediums. All that evidence can be used to prove your genuine and subsisting relationship. And in some cases, you may be sending or receiving some money to your partner. So, moving to the next section is the financial requirements which you have to meet as part of your visa application. The current financial requirement is that your sponsor here means is the person who is in the UK, who is a British citizen, or who has indefinite leave to remain. Your partner should have an income of at least £29,000 per year. Income can be from different sources. In this video, we will discuss two main sources which are very commonly used. One is the employment, and second one is the self-employment. Let's discuss the employment because this is widely used. Depending on the circumstances, you will need your pay slips for the last 6 to 12 months to confirm that you have received the gross amount from your employment to meet the financial requirements. I have used the word gross amount, which means the amount before deduction of tax and national insurance. You will also need your bank statements to prove that you have received your salary in the bank account. And you will also need a letter from your employer confirming your role, your hours, and your salary, and how long you have been receiving the current amount of salary. In addition to that, you may also like to provide a P60 to confirm that what you have earned in the most recent ended financial year. Normally, P60s are issued by employer by end of the April or in the start of the year, related to the previous ended year. Moving forward to self-employment income, the net profits of the business are counted as your income. This is in contrast to the gross amount from your employment. When we say net profit, it means after excluding and deducting all the expenses for your business, the net profit your business has made. You will need your tax return for the most recent ended financial year. And in the UK, financial year normally ends on the 5th of April and it starts on the 6th of April. It's a 12 months period. You will need your tax return. You will need your tax calculations, SA302. You will also need your bank statements to prove that the amount you have earned from your business is reflected in your account. You may have a personal bank account or may have a business bank account. Both are fine. And in addition to that, you will also need a letter from a professional chartered accountant who is a member of a professional body to confirm that they have checked and verified and confirmed your income. Okay, so this was self-employment. There are some other sources which you can also use to meet financial requirements, such as income from pension, if you have savings, and if you have rental income. So these are some other sources which you can use. In our experience, most of the time, people use income from employment, self-employment, savings, and pension. These are the commonly used sources. For every source, there is a prescribed format for the evidence required to make a successful visa application for spouse visa and fiancé visa. Moving to the next section, which is another important and a quite confusing requirement, which people find it quite confusing most of the time, is marriage arrangement. If you are formally engaged, Home Office would like to see the evidence. That could be in the form of family photographs, or you traveled to another country to get engaged, or maybe invitations for uh, your engagement, or any other evidence which you can provide. In addition to this, you will also need to provide evidence that you intend to get married within 6 months' time, within 6 month visa validity period, basically. Some sort of arrangements need to be made before you submit your visa application. There are different ways and means you can do that. One way is that you can contact your local council to ask for a notice of marriage appointment, or maybe you can book a venue with the local council. If this is not possible, then you may consider booking a licensed venue, a private venue, which are normally costly and expensive. Maybe you can make a provisional booking with them. Whichever booking you make, I advise that you ask them for the refund policy, or in case you have to change your date, maybe due to the delay in your visa application processing. Okay, so this was the requirement for marriage arrangement. Moving forward to the next section, English language requirement. The joining partner will also need to provide evidence that they meet the English language requirement by providing an approved English language test at A1 level or higher, or they can provide a degree certificate from a university at bachelor's or master's level, which was taught in English, and to prove that they may need a certificate from ECCTIS to confirm that their degree was equivalent to a UK bachelor's or master's degree and it was taught in English. So this was English language test requirement. And next one is TB test. TB test is not required for all the countries. You can check the list of the countries if you need TB test or not. You can see the list on our website, zrvisas.com. So these were the main requirements which you need to meet to make a fiancé visa application. Now we talk about processing time, and we will talk about the cost of visa application. Starting from the cost, the approximate cost for a fiancé visa application is £2,000. The Home Office do increase their fee in October and April every year. So you can expect that when you reach to the stage where you need to make your application, you may find the fee a little bit higher. You can fast track your application if you like to use a premium service. The cost of the premium service is £500 from outside UK. And remember, the fiancé visa applications can only be made from abroad. You cannot make a fiancé visa application within the country. You will have to leave the UK if you are visiting your partner and make an application from your own country, a country of your nationality or country of your residence. If you are using a premium service, you can get a decision within 30 working days. That's almost a month and a half. And using a standard service, the processing time is normally 12 to 14 weeks. And the time starts when your partner will attend the biometrics appointment. So this was cost and processing time. And now we will discuss the coming changes in the income, which may affect your visa application in the future. We discussed in earlier part of the video that the current financial requirement is £29,000 a year. The Home Office has announced that they will be increasing the financial requirement to £34,500 by end of the year 2024, and this will go up even more higher to £38,700 in the start of year 2025. Therefore, it is important that you are well prepared for your application if your income is below these thresholds, or you are not expecting your income to stay higher at that particular requirement. We hope you have a better understanding of UK Fiancé visa application. We wish you best, and we hope that you can join your partner in the UK, get married, and start your family life. We also share our work and we post new videos on all the social media platforms and updates. You can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and other social media platforms. Thank you very much for watching the video. Bye.